Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Road to Professional video. So it's been a long time since I've done one of these. My season just ended and I was taking a break, so now I'm back. I'm coming back stronger. So I was looking at you guys' highlights while I was playing, and you guys told me to release the ball quicker, so that's what we're gonna practice on today. So let's get started. Alright, guys, so for the next drill we're going to be the exact same thing, except instead of passing the ball I'm going to accelerate through the cones. Let's start. Alright guys, that was good. So now we're going to do the same thing, but once we get past that first cone, we're going to do a course turn and go to the other one. Accelerate. So let's start. It was alright. We can do it a little bit better. So let's go again. Alright guys, so now we're going to dribble through the cones and give a hard shot on the ground. Then we can practice our power. So let's start. Alright guys, so for this drill we're going to practice our touch. So you're going to go here, and then going to switch it to your other leg, here, and then hit it again over here. Then switch it to your other leg, here, and then bam. Not that hard. Let's start. little bit better. Alright guys, that was a killer burnout for your legs. So now, let's head inside. Alright guys, so now we're inside. As you can see, we have the speed ladder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do quick feet and do 10 squats whenever I'm done. I'm going to repeat it 10 times so I can do 100 squats in total. So let's start. Nine, 100. Ooh, that was a killer burnout. Alright guys, so now we're going to do lunges. I'm going to start on this side so you guys can see I'm doing it with a 20-pound weight, so no excuses. Alright, we're going to do it 5 times. We're going to skip a square and go. Ready? Four. Last one. Let's do these slow so they can burn. We're gonna hold it for 3 seconds each one. That way they can burn. Let's go. 2, 3. Alright guys, last workout of the day. 50 squats with a 20-pound weight. Let's start. 25. Halfway done. A little break. Only maximum 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and go. 5. Ooh, that one was a killer. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope I myself motivate you guys to do the same thing at home. I'm trying to go professional by working hard. Yes, I've been out for a while, but I'm back, coming back stronger. I've been working out the other days, but I just haven't been posting. I've been going strong, trust me, but now you're gonna see the difference between me now and me before. So I'm getting better every day, I feel it. It's all mentality, man. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really want you guys to subscribe, please. I want you guys to follow my journey. And thank you. Peace.